Hi there and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can learn basic to advanced level of Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator from premium courses completely free. So I'm actually talking about Skillshare, which is a paid platform where usually people pays like a monthly fee, which is about 9 to 15 US dollars, and or they have to pay like 99 US dollars for a yearly package. But don't worry, I'm actually going to show you how you can gain access to all of their premium courses completely free for the first 2 months. So without further ado, let me show you how you can find graphic design related courses like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, etc. So here you can see the search bar. You just have to type out like Adobe, and after that you will notice these suggestions. As you can see, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe After Effects, and other softwares. All right, so let me show you how to find the courses or the top courses. And I'm actually going to click on this Adobe Photoshop, and after that let's select premium. And as you can see, I always recommend these two courses, which are really awesome courses from one single instructor, and the instructor is in Adobe certified instructor or for both Photoshop and Illustrator courses. All right, so let me just show you the student counts here: 20,567 students, and on his Adobe Photoshop CC advanced training course, which has 6,670 students. Even if you are a complete beginner, I would suggest you to watch his first course, which is Adobe Photoshop CC essential training course. You are going to be a master of Photoshop after watching this video and after practicing and following his instructions. All right, and after that, after taking this course, I would suggest you to watch this course, which is Adobe Photoshop CC advanced training course. You are going to be learning lots of valuable skills which are going to help you on your freelance graphic design career. All right, or as a graphic designer for sure. All right, after that, let me show you these guys are two other courses which are about Illustrator. I have watched them and they're really awesome, so I am just suggesting you Adobe Illustrator. And let me show you these courses again. Here is the first one, Adobe Illustrator CC Essential Training for beginners or people who has a little bit of experience of Adobe Illustrator. All right, so as you can see here, we have got 18,491 students. And if you just go a little bit down, you'll find his other course, which is Adobe Illustrator CC Advanced Training. So let me show you, I'm signed in with my premium account. So let me show you that something here. Okay, so as I am signed in with my premium account, I'm being able to access all of these tutorials or lessons. So let me click the ninth video and it is going to be running in here. Okay, as you can see. All right, so now let me actually take you to another browser or other browser here where I'm signed in with a free account. So if I was signed in with a free account, I would see this button here, go premium. And if I was just selecting the exact course with the free account, then let me show you what would you see. So as you can see, I am only being able to watch the introduction video, which is the first one. After that, I am seeing these lock buttons. So now let me show you how you can gain access to these courses completely free and how you can get the premium membership as I do. As you can see, I am a premium membership and I am a sponsor, so I have the ability to give you, as you can see here is the text, give your friends 2 free months of Skillshare Premium and earn free months when they sign up. And here is an invitation link. So as you were watching this video on my YouTube channel, I am considering you as my friend, and I'm actually going to attach my invitation link into the video description so that you'll be able to use that link. And whenever you are going to sign up by using that link, you are going to get your first 2 months completely free Skillshare Premium access so that you'll be able to watch any of their courses from their platform. And along with your benefit, I'm actually going to get some benefit as well, earn free months when they sign up. So whenever you are signing up with a free with a premium membership here for completely free for the first 2 months, then I'm actually going to get an extra month added to my premium membership. All right, So this is a win-win situation. Please don't miss the opportunity to get access to all of their premium courses. All right, so now let's assume that if you have completed your 2 months, or you are about to complete your 2 months of premium membership on Skillshare, which you have found completely free. So that you, as a paid platform, you have to add your payment details. And now let me show you, if you don't want to get charged, or if you want to pay them anything, what you have to do. So you just have to click on your profile icon, and then you have to click on this account settings, and after that you have to click on this payments option, and you will find information about your membership. As you can see, your next yearly charge, or whatever package you are going to choose in the beginning, but sorry, you are not going to be charged for anything for the first 2 months, as I have mentioned. All right, so I am as you can see here, it will be applied for primary payment method on January 25 2020. So before, let's say this date is January 25 2020, I would just come here on January 24th, and I just have to click on this cancel membership, and you will find, as you can see, this option like continue with cancellation. Just click here and it will be all done. All right, so you don't have to worry about your, let's say, paying them any single penny. All right, so I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you did found it helpful, please give this video a like and share this video to help others as well. And please consider subscribing my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.